This video is for grade 8 for the first practice exam that I gave you for the final exam. So this is the multiple choice sections. I'm going to go through each number at a time in one short video at a time. I'm going to start by writing the topics for each question before we do it. So the topics for number 1 here, it says, given the following algebraic equation, 2xy plus x squared minus 50. So the topics here are substitution, and then order of operations. So you have to be able to do BEDMAS in order to get the right answer. Because it says, what is the numerical value of the expression when x equals 5 and y equals 12? So you actually just rewrite this, but you put everywhere where there's an x, you're going to put 5, and everywhere there's a y, you're going to put 12. So it becomes 2 times 5 times 12 plus 5 squared minus 50. It's really important to keep these brackets because if there was a negative number here that was supposed to be x, then it would affect like the squaring that you're doing here. So be careful. Make sure you put the brackets around the number and calculate it using that. So now I have to follow order of operations. So the first thing I'm going to do, well, I have my brackets, but these brackets are just multiplication. So I can do this multiplication and I can also do this exponent. Okay, so I would do it in steps so you don't make any mistakes. You are allowed to use your calculator. So this would be 2 times 5 is 10 times 12 plus 5 squared is 25 minus 50. Could bring this down. Again, you're allowed to use your calculator on the exam, so when you get to a point where you're comfortable, just don't put it all in one shot unless you're going to use the brackets. 25 minus 50, so this will become 145 minus 50. And finally, when you do 145 minus 50, you're going to get 95. So I look down here, is that one of my answers? Yes, so the answer is D.